Hello everyone. Today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add some conversation on your messages application as your favorite. As you can see this is one of my favorite conversation. So how to do that? In order to do that, you just need to open your messages application, and from here you need to select the conversation, your favorite conversation, with whom you want to conversation, with whom you want to do the conversation, and you want the conversation to be on the top like this. So in order to do that, just hold on the conversation you want to do that. From here you just need to click the pin button. As you can see, the favorite conversation is added on the top. And what if you want to unpin it, just hold it once again, and from here you just need to tap the unpin button. So yeah, that's how you make a certain conversation one of your favorites on your iPhone's messages application.